products like matcha go viral out of nowhere, predicting demand becomes extremely difficult.
It's a challenge adapting something that has such a rich and ancient history and culture into a totally new setting. So imagine ancient Japan 1,000 years ago and now bringing it into the streets of Brooklyn.
Matcha is a shade-grown green tea that's ground into very fine and beautiful powder.
Matcha is a superfood. It's used in everything from pastries to teas, lattes. Matcha really blew up because it was an easy education. This is a replacement for coffee. People want to feel good.
Some of the tea lovers and the vegan healthy food bloggers discovered, oh, matcha makes me feel alert, but also calm.
Social media and celebrity really allow products to reach millions of people within an instant.
The issue with viral products is that you don't have time or the intuition that this is going to go viral, and therefore you can't plan for it. But the key portion is definitely to scramble all the different pieces together to quickly communicate the information back into the supply chain.
The supply chain of matcha, specifically dealing with an ingredient that's very temperamental. Not only are you worried about the temperature of the product, but it's only actually harvested 2 to 3 times a year.
The grinding packing process is very delicate. You cannot rush it.
Products like matcha that are viral force technological change on manufacturers. The way technology can help is enable real-time decision-making. Digital supply chains have enabled information flow in such a way that we cut out that waste that used to happen before digitization.
At a given point, you're actually dealing with the inventory management of 12 to 13 different parcels that all need to make it into a factory and not too soon, not too late, to then be produced into matcha bar matcha. So our digital inventory management tools are kind of at the heart of making sure that everything is arriving and leaving at the right time.
Digital innovation in the next few years will help optimize how our matcha farm and the freight forwarder and ourselves coordinate in real time.
I think the digital process of managing supply chain and also then being able to co-pack your product into the final form will transform tremendously over the next couple of years.